Watching Weekend Prime and welcome back to the broadcast. More than 100,000 babies are born prematurely every year, according to the Health Ministry. Quite a high number of premature babies die before attaining 5 years. World Prematurity Day, which was marked in Makueni at the Mother and Child Hospital, champions for improvement of care for preterm babies. In this year's celebrations, skin-to-skin benefits or kangaroo mother care was fronted as the best remedy for ensuring the survival of babies born before term. Beldin Waliaula with that report.
Out of 1,000 children born in Kenya, 21 of them die. Prematurity is said to be the top driver of neonatal mortality in Kenya. Yet the country still has a long way to achieve sustainable development goals of 12 deaths for every 1,000 children born by 2030. According to the Ministry of Health, every child born before completion of the 37 weeks of pregnancy is termed as preterm. However, the stages of preterm range as low as 28 weeks, with the first 28 days of the newborn babies being crucial in setting them ahead for life. Data from the ministry shows that in 2020, 127,500 children were born before term, but the figure is said to have spiked in 2023.
We be able to prevent many of these deaths by simple interventions, including proper management and care during pregnancy, during labor and delivery, use of kangaroo mother care, and practicing good hand hygiene.
Half of the preterm causes are unknown, but there are identifiable risks like poor nutrition during pregnancy, smoking and drinking while pregnant, urinary tract infections, and a history of a mother having premature birth.
Some of the reasons that lead to babies being born before their due date include maternal infections, that is sepsis, diabetes and hypertension in pregnant women, and anemia in pregnancy.
To achieve sustainable development goals of reducing neonatal deaths, the national and county governments have been urged to give priority and improve preterm care.
As a county na nchi, tubadilishe vile tunatreat kitengo hiki cha watoto. Ukiingia kila hospitali unakuta mahali pale padogo, wakishajenga zile zingine pale padogo ni pale pa neonatal, ka room tu ni kama ilikuwa imesaulika. We must change the way we are thinking as a country.
As deaths caused by prematurity rise from 33.2% in 2022 to 37.2% in 2023, children who survive mostly end up having health complications if not well attended to. Kangaroo mother care, training of healthcare workers to deal with newborns, and availability of supplies in the health facilities are critical for neonatal survival.
Kangaroo mother care, that is the KMC, is a low-cost, effective, and scientifically proven high-impact intervention for management of preterm and low birth weight babies. Kangaroo mother care is defined as prolonged, continuous skin-to-skin contact of the mother and baby for between 8 to 12 hours in a day. Development partners have also been urged to continue supporting mother and child health care. This will enable the country to achieve SDG Goal 3 of ensuring healthy lives and promoting well-being for all.
Clinton Health Access Initiative is donating approximately 16,700 ampules of caffeine citrate today.
This year's theme for World Prematurity Day is Small Actions, a Big Impact, with kangaroo mother care being vouched as an effective way to reduce mortality rates by 40% among infants with a birth weight of less than 2 kgs. Beldin Waliaula in Makueni County.